Hey guys, I'm Angie. In our last video, Jason and I showed you 2 different ways to make Dalgona coffee using a stand mixer and a shaker bottle. If you want to see how that turned out, click on the link up here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Dalgona style Thai iced tea, or whipped Thai tea. To make our whipped Thai tea, we're going to use the exact same ingredients as our Dalgona coffee with the addition of our Thai tea mix. I got this off of Amazon, so I'll leave a link in the description down below so you can get it for yourself. The first thing we're going to do is brew our Thai tea. To brew my Thai tea, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of Thai tea mix and half a cup of hot water to my French press. I'll let that sit for about 3 minutes. I want the flavor to be stronger and more potent. If you don't have a French press, you can use a pot and a tea strainer or just a regular strainer, and that would be fine. My Thai tea is almost done brewing, so now I'm going to add to my shaker bottle half a tablespoon of instant coffee and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now I'll add 2 tablespoons of the hot Thai tea. Jason's going to shake this up for me for about 7 minutes. If you have a hand mixer, use that instead. While Jason's off shaking the whipped Thai tea, I'm going to add half a cup of hot water to my French press so I can make an American style cup of Thai iced tea for later and we can compare the taste. To make my American style Thai tea, I'm going to pour it over 1 tablespoon of sugar. Give it a stir to melt the sugar. In my other cup, I'm going to add a couple cubes of ice and milk. Jason's done shaking now. So this is the American style Thai iced tea, which is sugar, Thai tea, and half and half. This over here is our whipped Thai tea, or our Dalgona style Thai tea. So we're gonna taste them both and see which one we like better. The whipped Thai tea actually smells really good and fragrant. It doesn't taste like coffee at all. We really only used a tiny bit of instant coffee as a stabilizer to really get the consistency. It's so nice and thick. Oh, Jason should have some too since he was the one who shook it up for me.
What do you think?
The Thai iced tea tastes really good and tastes exactly like what you would get in a restaurant or a boba shop, so it's a staple. It's one of my personal favorite drinks. When it comes to the whipped Thai tea, it tastes a lot creamier and richer, and it definitely makes me feel fancier and a little bit bougie. It's definitely a special drink and has much more presentation value compared to the Thai iced tea. But if I was lazy, I would probably go with the Thai iced tea. If I had Jason around, or if I had a hand mixer or an extra couple minutes, I'd definitely make something a little special for myself. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a...
Gotta drink it while you eat.
If you like this video, go ahead and tap the like button. Consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already, and we'll see you in the next video.